Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. I'm going to do a quick walk around tour, show you the vehicle for sale here, and then if you have any questions or are curious about any of the features, or you want to set up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So this vehicle has a red exterior, we've got a black interior, mileage currently at 29,630, and we do have a turnkey ignition. Quick look at our steering wheel here, and here we have a CD player as well as your radio. Below that we have our climate controls, and then you have your shifter here. Also have a button here to lock four-wheel drive. Alright, all the seats have this black and red stitching, kind of a cool little accent. Right, I'm going to show you rear seats here next, and then a quick peek back up front. And then we'll come around to the back. We've got our Mitsubishi Outlander Sport badging. We've got our trunk here. Of course, you can always flip back those rear seats if you need a little extra storage room. And if you're interested in scheduling a test drive or learning more about this 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.